Welcome to another Circle Time at Home. Let's start with our song. Good morning, rabbits and friends. Good morning, rabbits and friends. Good morning, rabbits and friends. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! I'm glad you're here today. Let's look and see what we're going to do today. We're going to start with our calendar. We're going to talk about the weather. We're going to do a felt board story called Stone Soup. We're going to play a game with some dice and roll a salad plate. And we're going to sing a song. We're going to sing Peach of a Savior today. Since we're talking about fruits and vegetables, I thought that would be a good one. All right, let's start with our calendar. Today is Friday, April 17th. Let's look at our patterns so far. Purple, yellow, pink. Purple, yellow, pink, purple, yellow, pink, purple, yellow, pink. Purple! Today's a purple day. Tomorrow is Saturday, and then we have Sunday. We won't have circle times on either of those 2 days. So when we meet again on Monday, we'll have to see what color it is then. Do you have a guess? We'll find out if you're right. All right, let's count our days that we've done circle time at home with stars in our star jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And our 25 sticker for 25 is purple. So now if we count the bottom by tens, we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 circle times at home. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? Is there rain or is there sun? Well, it's a little bit cloudy today. It's been cloudy off and on, and I think it's going to be pretty cloudy later. Whoops! It's not windy. It's cloudy. I put the wrong picture up. All right. We'll color in another square for our cloudy weather graph. Let's count the number of cloudy days we've had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cloudy days, but we've had 9 sunny days. Hopefully next week we'll get a bunch of sunny days too. That would be nice. All right, it's time to water our cactus. Hello, cactus. I have some water for you. Get a good drink. All right, cactus is doing well. Let's look at our caterpillars. They did some growing yesterday. They are just a little over an inch long. Do you see some of these black circles down there, that little bit of black? So caterpillars grow so fast that they actually have to shed their skin once or twice while they're growing, and those little black balls are some of the extra skin that's come off. Our skin grows with us because we grow slowly, but caterpillars grow very, very fast, so they have to shed their outer layer of skin so their inner layer can expand. One's moving. Hello, rabbit friends. It's nice to see you today. And the ones at the bottom are moving too. They like their little home. They've made lots of webs so they can get around easily. The caterpillars are doing very nicely. All right, for our story today, we're going to try a felt board story. We'll see how it goes. I have a felt board here. I'm going to tape it up on top of my regular board. And hopefully, oh, I drew a line for our caterpillars that today is day number 8, and it's a little bit longer than day number 7. I want to show you I added that to our chart. All right, back to our felt board. Hopefully our pieces will stick to the felt board even though it's hanging up kind of funny. I have a story to tell you called Stone Soup. Yesterday we read a book about growing vegetable soup, and today we're going to hear a story about somebody who makes soup with a stone. Do you think that sounds delicious? I'm not so sure. Let's read and see what happens. All right, I got my pages ready. Once upon a time, a beggar came to a small village. He went from door to door asking for food. Everywhere he went, people complained that they were too poor and did not have any food to share. The beggar said that he was sorry the village was so short of food, and that if the people would lend him a large pot, he would show them how to make stone soup. Okay, let me grab some tape. I was afraid it might not stick. So here's our beggar. And there's his large pot. And there's the stone. He's going to make some stone soup. All the villagers gathered around because they wanted to learn how to make soup from a stone. One of the villagers ran off and came back carrying a large pot. He helped the beggar fill the pot with water and place it over a fire. Then he dropped a stone. The beggar then searched the village grounds until he found a stone that was just right. He washed it until it was ever so clean. Then he dropped the stone into the pot of water. So there's the nice clean stone going into the big pot over the fire. Another villager brought him a big spoon, and the beggar began to stir the soup. Stir, stir, sniff, sniff. Tape, tape. Maybe it'll stick this time. He said, this soup is going to be very good. But it would be even better if it had a carrot in it. Quickly, a villager ran off and came back with a carrot. The beggar chopped up the carrot and put it into the soup. Stir, stir, sniff, sniff. He said, this soup is going to be very good, but it would be even better if it had a potato in it. Quickly, a villager ran off and came back with a potato. Here's our potato. The beggar chopped up the potato and put it into the soup. Stir, stir, sniff, sniff. He said, this soup is going to be very good, but it would be even better if it had a tomato in it. Quickly, a villager ran off and came back with a tomato. The beggar chopped up the tomato and put it into the soup. Stir, stir, sniff, sniff. He said, this soup is going to be very good, but it would be even better if it had some broth in it. Quickly, a villager ran off and came back with some broth. The beggar added the broth to the soup. Stir, stir, sniff, sniff. He said, my stone soup is done. Now I will share it with all of you. He shared his soup. He shared his recipe. "We owe him a lot," said the villagers, and from that day on, they never again let a beggar go hungry in their village. So that's our stone soup story. It's kind of a funny story. He told them he was going to make a soup out of a stone, but then he added a lot of other things, didn't they? They added carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, and broth, and that's probably what made the soup taste good. That's a fun story. All right, we have a game to play. I'm going to take my felt board down, which is falling apart anyway. We have a plate and we have some ingredients for salad. We have some lettuce, we have some carrots, we have some tomatoes, some cucumbers, and some mushrooms. And we are going to roll our dice and see how many of each of those vegetables we're going to put into our salad. Let's start with the lettuce, and we'll see how many lettuce leaves we're going to put in our salad. My glue is ready. My salad plate is ready. Oh, that's good. We've got 6 lettuce leaves. I'm going to put glue all over the plate, and I'm going to add 6 leaves of lettuce. Ready to help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our salad plate is off to a good start. All right, now we're going to roll and see how many cucumbers. 1 cucumber. All right. We'll put 1 cucumber in our salad. Let's see how many tomatoes we're going to have. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tomato slices. Let me add a little bit of glue so I can just pop them on. 1, 2, 3, oops, that one slipped. 3, 4, 5. What a nice colorful salad we have. All right, let's see how many mushrooms we can add to our salad. Make some space for my dice on the floor. Roll it around. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mushrooms. We'll put them in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mushrooms. All right, last is carrots. I hope we get a lot of carrots. I really like carrots. 4 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll put our carrots on the outside so we can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da! We rolled a beautiful salad. We have lettuce, cucumber, tomato, mushroom, and carrots in our salad. It looks good enough to eat. Maybe you'll get to have some salad today or tomorrow, and you can put some of those yummy vegetables on it. All right, we've done our calendar, we've done our weather, we did our story about stone soup, we rolled a salad plate. It's time for our song. I have my pictures. Let's sing one of our favorites. He's a peach of a savior. Ready? He's a peach of a savior. He's the apple of my eye. He goes stomping through the vineyard where the grapes are growing high. He's so plumb wonderful, and that's the reason why I just go bananas for my Lord. That's always such a fun song to sing. Well, friends, thank you so much for joining me today for our circle time. I had a good time today. I hope you did too. I won't see you tomorrow or Sunday, but we'll be back again on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend, friends, and I'll see you later. Bye.